Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, I am bare skin but glowy AF, ain't I? How glowy is my skin at this moment? So I really wanted to share something really cool with you, and that is the Youth Fountain Miracle One Serum. I want to give you guys an update on my skincare routine, and then also at the end of the video I'll share the Black Friday discount code. Take a chance on this. But look at this. It's yum. Like, I wanted her to firm and lift, she firmed and lift. I wanted more glow, she gave me glow. And dark circles, it's getting there, she's getting there. And pigmentation, she's getting there. So yeah, 1 week review. I'll show you guys on my stories what the before looks like, but I think it's done the most for me. Going from such a big skincare routine to like literally 2 products is insane for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I use the product, demo it, get your Black Friday code, then just keep on watching. So I have the 120ml here. I cleanse my face. It must still be damp though. And then you actually don't have to put on toner. You just go ahead and apply your serum. So this is actually going to replace my toner, my day cream, my night cream, because you apply it every morning, every night on your damp skin after you shower or wash your face. You can use 4 pumps and apply it face and neck. And it's going to replace your serum, whether it is your serum that you use for your wrinkles, your fine lines, your anti-aging, your acne or pigmentation. Like, it's all helps all of those things, but it's going to replace your serum, your moisturizer, and then obviously you can put it on your hair as well. So I usually just like run it through my hair. Also gets rid of my flyaways, and you can see what a difference it made in my hair already. It's like my hair's been super shiny lately, but I wanted to thicken and make my hair shiny, obviously. And then for my skin, I really wanted to lift and firm, and that's what it has been doing. It also helped with my pigmentation. So I had a bit of pigmentation and a bit of scarring from some pimples, and then I really wanted to help my dark under eyes. So let's see if it lightens, because that's like my main concern. But I'm hoping, let's see after 2 to 3 weeks what it does to my under eyes. But it replaces so many of your products. People are really saying that this is like a miracle in a bottle. And also it helps just so many things. So it's the pigmentation, the scarring, the fine lines, the wrinkles. It does the most. And I'm also using it on my body. I have a bit of stretch marks around my hips, so, and my bums. So I'm gonna apply it there and see how it goes. I'm gonna take some before and after pictures. Hopefully I'll just like zoom in so you can't like see the body, but you can see if it helped with the stretch marks. And then just wait a few minutes. So wait about 3 to 4 minutes and let it absorb into your skin. Now going in with my sunscreen by Helio Care. I love the smell of the sunscreen. So I can't believe that's all I do to my face. I remember when I used to use Korean skincare and I used to use like 15 steps, and then going from that to another skincare brand, which I went down from like 15 steps to 5 steps, and now it's like 2 steps. So I cleanse and I use my Miracle One, and then I use my Helio Care. It's weird going from literally 15 steps to 5 steps and now 2 steps. I literally just use my serum and my sunscreen. Look how glowy my skin is as well, guys. You can see like a huge difference. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. So guys, it's about time that I share the Black Friday discount code with you. It is 50% off the 120ml, and you use the code Black Friday Miracle 50, or you can get the 30ml, but that's only 40% off, and the code is Black Friday 30. It ends the 29th of November, and it's only limited to 30 units, so get your hands on it real fast, quick fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, an update on my new skincare routine. Just trying to make it simpler and simpler for y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.